Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the AC clutch, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. You actually have two fuses. We'll explain how you can even test fuses. It's super important to test them, fuses, relays, and we're going to talk about that as we go. Also, if your fuses are fine and the AC still does not work, the AC clutch does not work, we will explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. We'll be demonstrating here on a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same. We're going to talk about the two fuses that you need to check. This is the fuse box that we have specifically here, one tap here, one there, squish towards each other, pull out, put on the side. Fuse numbers here correspond to what we have specifically here. The fuse, guys, that we need to check now specifically for the AC clutch, okay, the first one will be known as fuse number F12, which will be that fuse right here. That fuse needs to be checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth fuse from left to right in that fuse box. I recommend to always test fuses, because if you look at it, sometimes you cannot tell if it's good or bad because they're super short fuses. Then if you put it back and it's a bad fuse, you may end up spending time, money to fix your AC when all you had to do is test the fuse. We'll put a link, special link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays. In just a couple seconds you will be able to find if yours are good or bad. Now you have one more that you need to check, guys. The next one is known as fuse number 39. Okay, and this one will be the fuse right here. That fuse 39 is the one for the AC clutch as well. Both of those needs to be checked. And if your fuses are good and you still have problems, guys, what we will recommend, guys, we have a special video that will explain why air conditioner doesn't work on that charger. It will teach you everything from start to finish, what to check, what to look for, all that. It's very detailed video that will teach you step by step how to diagnose your problem. Why air conditioner does not work on that charger. It will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.